Welcome back. We're obviously finished the season now. We're back at the workshop. As you can see, we're in the little machine shop. The rest of it's just quite busy out there. So we're in here today. Basically, I'm going to be giving the bike a wash down as the last race was wet. So let's get washing. So first step, as all of you will know, is fairings off. So yeah, let's get all the fairings off before I wash it down. Yeah. I'd say that the season started off a little bit slower than what I'd have liked in the pre-season testing as such. We didn't have the greatest time in Spain, as I don't think most people did this year because of the rain. We had 7 days planned in Spain, and I think out of those 7 days we only had like a day and a half in the dry. So it was like very little testing time for us. So that was a bit frustrating to be kind of on the back foot. And we done as much as we could in the UK before obviously the BSB season started. We obviously had the Alton test and the Donington test with BSB, and I'd have liked to have been further up really. I don't know, kind of opened my eyes up a bit to realise how hard the championship was going to be. But obviously cracked on, just carried on chipping away at it, and at the first round we qualified 13th in the first race. So, I mean, it was good considering there was 55 riders entered, but still not quite where I wanted to be. But looking back at it now, I'd say that was a pretty strong, opening round qualifying session, due to how many riders were in it and how tough the field was. So yeah, looking back at it now, kind of happy with that. And as some of you may have read in my season report, that the season started off good. We made like good progress, round 2, round 3, and then as we came to like the mid part of the season, we just seemed to drop back a little bit with setup wise. Like I just wasn't feeling comfortable on the bike. If I tried to push more, it just felt more risk of crashing. And by the end of Thruxton, which I think was round 6 or 7, not too sure, we found a really good setting, and yeah, just pushed on in the last 3 rounds, and obviously happy to pick up that result at Brands Hatch in the last race, finishing up in 5th. So yeah, happy with that. So there it is, fairings all stripped down, ready for a wash. So let's go and give it a blast off. So there she is, all blasted off, all the dirt's off. Probably don't look any different, but yeah, now time to give it a bit of a shine up and get the fairings back on. There she is, all shined up. Just a case of cleaning the fairings back up and getting them back on. So there she is, all clean. Yeah, I think I've done a good job. Nice deep clean, I suppose, for the winter and off season until we're back out in Spain early next year. So yeah, just not too much to say today. Just been cleaning the bike, and yeah, gonna be going to motocross tomorrow. So a bit of training in there, and then Sunday we'll be back here to do a few more jobs, and yeah, we'll see you on the next one. Welcome back. This is what we're up to this weekend. Can't actually see what I'm doing here, but motocross today, for the third time in the last 4 weeks. Yeah, so slowly getting better. The weather looks decent today. What's that face?
Nothing.
Maybe I'm not getting better. We'll see. We'll see from the footage today. We got top videographer going out on track today. It's high vis on. I bought myself a new helmet and goggles.
That's going to make you go faster.
Yeah, I got some new goggles so I can see where I'm going now, because before I was just seeing scratches.
Look, stop complaining. Just tighten up your goggles.
Getting mud in my eyes and everything. So, yeah. But other than that, I'm still in my retro 80s jersey and pants, whatever you call them, in motocross. Jeans. So yeah, I think Fraser should be here any minute now. So we'll get his fat belly on camera and see what he's saying. So yeah, see you in a bit. Here's Big Belly. Got any words for today?
It's too early.
Like 11 o'clock, innit?
Yeah, too early. Oh, we got the bacon. Oh, we got so much bacon, man. I've got another 10 rashers.
So I don't actually know what my dad was doing here. He kind of just started filming, but he did it in portrait when it should have been landscape, and then halfway through said, do I need to be in landscape? So I've got no clue what he's doing, but I thought I'd just add it in anyway, because this is kind of just what was happening in between the sessions. So yeah, enjoy my dad's great camera work. Oh,
Well, we're out 20 past.
so here's some clips of me throughout the day and an onboard video at the end, so stay tuned. We almost stacked it, mate. There we are, done for the day. It was a good day. It rained there yesterday, so when we went on the track this morning it was proper slippy in the first session, but dried up a little bit, which was good. Progressed on, got better in each session, I think, maybe, and finished it off with a good last session. I put the GoPro on for the last session, so yeah, I'll put a little clip in of how I got on in that last one and some off track, whatever clips filmed from the side. And yeah, well, I'll put that clip in, and I'll see you on the next video. Also, just one other thing before I go. Keep left to stay on Spittle's Way. Yeah, I've obviously just started out with these videos, so if you want to comment or message me, whatever, anything I can do better, or video ideas, you know, so obviously we've got a lot of time now to do whatever we want to do over the winter. Just comment or message me what we can go and do, and we'll probably go and do it, as long as it's not too extreme. Yeah, or expensive. So yeah, if there's anything I can do better as well in the videos, which there probably is, but yeah, let me know.